Okay, now this is an example. Uh, this was the one which we did before, example number three. This is an example which is slightly different. The only thing different is my h of t is now shifted, has moved to the other side, negative side of the tau axis. So this is my tau. Sorry, this is my t. Uh, so what we do is this is very similar to the example three. The only difference is the reference. So some of the calculations will change. I will just do the first two cases and then you can do the rest of them. So the first step is to change the x of t to x of tau, and this is actually t, and h of tau to h of minus tau, and identify the reference point. And then the case one will be no overlap. So I have to move this completely outside x of tau. So that will be a negative time shift. So this is, on this side it's plus t and this side is minus t. So I have to move the x of tau. I have to move my pulse outside. So this is my new, the location of the pulse, and the reference is 3. So in order to move my pulse from 3 to 0, from 3 to 1, I have moved minus 2 on this side. So this is minus 2. So anything, so if it is less than t, if t is less than minus 2, which is this point, so 3, 2, and then 1. So I have moved 2 points, 2 times on this side, 2 seconds on this side. I have no overlap, so my y of t will be equal to 0. Now the second case is when my pulse is h of t minus tau is partially inside x of tau. So let us look at the figure here. So again my x of t will look like this from 1 to 3, and my h of tau, t minus tau, will move inside. Reference point is 3, this is my reference, and this is x now. So now this is my, the shift from 3 to x is minus t. So 3 minus x, 3 minus x minus x is equal to minus t. So this implies t x equal to t plus 3. 3 plus 3 minus x equal to minus t, and x equal to t plus 3. So my integral will be y of t 1 to x e raised to minus tau minus 1 d tau, and that will be minus e raised to the power minus tau minus 1 uh, 1 to x, so 1 to t plus 3, and that will be 1 minus 1 0. That will be, so I will just write it down here, y of t is equal to 1 minus e raised to the power minus t plus 3 minus 1, so it will t plus 3 minus 1, so it will be t minus 2 in this case. Okay, and then you can follow the other steps. Case 3 will be total inside, and then you can use uh, the the same rules as we discussed before. The important thing is If we are on the left side of the reference, then you have to take the shift as minus t, and that will solve. You can use these techniques to solve all the questions.